Rock lobster, also known as spiny lobster or crayfish, has been a popular seafood delicacy for centuries. However, overfishing and habitat destruction have caused a decline in wild lobster populations, leading to the development of lobster farming as a sustainable alternative. In this video, we will explore how rock lobster is farmed and the benefits of this method. Rock lobster farming is a relatively new industry that has been gaining popularity in recent years. The process involves breeding and raising lobsters in captivity, rather than catching them in the wild. The farming process begins with the collection of wild lobster broodstock, which are then transported to a hatchery where they are kept in tanks until they mate and produce eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae, which are raised in tanks until they reach a size of around 5 centimeters. Once the larvae have reached this size, they are transferred to larger tanks where they continue to grow. The tanks are filled with seawater that is constantly circulated to provide the lobsters with oxygen and nutrients. The lobsters are fed a diet of pellets made from fish meal and other ingredients that provide them with the nutrients they need to grow. As the lobsters continue to grow, they are transferred to larger tanks until they reach a marketable size, which is usually between 250 and 500 grams. The lobsters are then harvested and sold to markets around the world. The entire process, from egg to market-ready lobster, takes around 2 to 3 years. One of the benefits of rock lobster farming is that it can help to reduce the pressure on wild lobster populations. By providing a sustainable source of lobster, the demand for wild-caught lobster is reduced, allowing wild populations to recover. Additionally, because the lobsters are raised in captivity, they are less likely to be exposed to contaminants or diseases that can affect wild populations. Another benefit of lobster farming is that it can provide economic benefits to coastal communities. The industry creates jobs and stimulates local economies, particularly in areas where fishing has declined due to overfishing or habitat destruction. However, there are also some challenges associated with lobster farming. One of the main challenges is the cost of building and maintaining the infrastructure needed to raise the lobsters. The tanks, pumps, and filtration systems required to maintain a lobster farm can be expensive, and the cost of the feed can also be a significant expense. Rock lobster farming is a sustainable alternative to wild lobster fishing that provides economic benefits to coastal communities while reducing the pressure on wild populations. While there are challenges associated with the industry, advances in technology and increased demand for sustainable seafood are likely to drive further growth in the future.